guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nidhi, and in today's video I'm going to talk about makeup brushes. I'm going to talk about beginner friendly makeup brushes in this video. And to be very honest, I love makeup brushes. I love my makeup brushes. मुझे अभी भी याद है मैंने बहुत मैंने कैसे कैसे करके मैंने सबसे पहली चीज़ when I was in my college I have invested in my makeup brushes because I knew that कि it is going to last me forever. So I think makeup brushes is more like an investment. And this is what I'm telling you from my own personal experience. I know when I was in second or third year, I had invested in pack makeup brushes like ये आई वाला था और ये फेस का मैंने दोनों सेट लिया था. It costed me around 4 to 5,000 I guess. To be very honest, I don't remember the actual price, but it was expensive for me. I guess it is expensive for any college student. And मैंने ये अपनी ही पॉकेट मनी से मैंने ये खरीदा था. And मुझे लगता है मैंने अपनी लाइफ का पहला इन्वेस्टमेंट मैंने इसी में करा है. And I love my makeup brushes, you guys. I just love them. This is so nice. We always say first is your special. So that's the case with me. I love my pack makeup brush so much. Okay, I know मैंने ये बहुत बार बोला है. So without any further ado, let's just get started. Today's video, I'm going to talk about my face makeup brushes. And yeah, let's just get started. I have this face makeup brush from pack and I just bought it as a set, as I said to you all. So basically it comes in a pack of 5 and it has foundation, blush, concealer, powder and highlighter. So basically ये ऐसे आता था. Apart from that, I have also added few makeup brushes in my collection. Recently मतलब इसी साल मैंने 1-2 makeup brushes और अपने collection में add करा है. So we're gonna talk about that. So let's just get started. So first of all, we're gonna talk about foundation brush. So I have 2 options. So first one is of course this pack foundation brush जो set में ही आया था. Like it has very nice, you know, like very nice bristles and these are very nice to blend your foundation. I love it. And secondly, I have this foundation brush from Mars Cosmetic. मुझे ये वाला मतलब बहुत दिन हो गया था मतलब फाउंडेशन ब्रश हमेशा यूज़ करा है अपने वीडियोज़ में एंड आई हैव बीन लविंग दिस सो मच लाइक दिस इज सो गुड फॉर योर फाउंडेशन यू जस्ट नीड टू डैब इट और इट जस्ट स्प्रेड्स योर फाउंडेशन सो नाइसली एंड सो इवनली इनटू योर स्किन आई लव इट एंड इट इज़ अ फ्लैट फाउंडेशन ब्रश. Talking about this is also a flat foundation brush, and if I talk about the surface, this is more softer rather than this. And also इसका circumference इससे ज़्यादा है, so it just cover larger area of your skin. So I'm just going to use and I'm gonna show you all. Okay, now you're gonna see in real time what I was talking about. Look at this. Can you see how easily it has blended all the foundation into my skin? Just look at it. On the other side, I'm going to use this pack foundation brush. It just, since it is a smaller than this, so it just covers smaller area. To be very honest, I am not a great fan of like these beauty blenders. Brushes works more for me. Also, I have burned my hand, like you can see. Okay, so just look at it. Like I think both are really nice, like both are really great, but if I have to suggest one brush out of these two, so I will suggest you all this. I'll let you know in a second. Wait a minute. And I'm also considering it as a beginner perspective. Like मेरे टाइम में ये ब्रश नहीं था guys, वरना मैं भी इसमें इन्वेस्ट करती. और आई कैन से कि मुझे आइडिया नहीं था. आई वॉज सो लाइक मैं जैसे लगता था कि पैक इज़ अ रियली नाइस ब्रांड फॉर मेकअप ब्रशेस एंड इट वाज ऑल ओवर माय यूट्यूब. मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे थे और सब ने पैक के ब्रशेस मुझे सजेस्ट करा था जो मुझे थोड़ा सही लगा. सो आई वेंटेड टुवर्ड्स दिस and I'm not at all regretting it. Okay, I'm not at all regretting it. Let me just clear it out to you all. I love this. I love my packed brushes. Oh my god, how many times I have just said it, but I have sort of attachment to these brushes. So yeah, and these are really very good quality. Like कितने साल हो गए और मैंने बहुत ही rough tough use करा है इसे. So yeah, you can clearly see how nicely it has blended all into my skin. Okay, so now we're gonna move towards concealer. So first of all, let me apply some concealer and then we're gonna talk about. Okay, so for the concealer as well, again I have an option from this face makeup kit. This is a concealer brush. Like मैंने बहुत time तक इसे use किया है. And recently I purchased this concealer brush from Pack and this is Pack 219. It has like oval shape to it which helps in blending your makeup more nicely. Again हम दोनों use करके देखेंगे. Okay, so first I'm gonna use this one. I'm just like, look at it, how nicely it just set your concealer. Did you see? Like it was like within a minute. Also, I'm not at all that good in concealer. Like I'm still struggling कि concealer को अच्छे से use कैसे करा जाता है. But for a beginner, I will suggest go for this brush. This is PAC 219 rather than this, because again I had some hard time with blending my concealer with this brush. I don't know, maybe like a beginner again, because I am not at all that good in blending concealer, like you can clearly see. This side from this brush मेरा concealer बहुत ही seamlessly blend हुआ, while ये वाला थोड़ा सा tough है मेरे लिए. I'm not that good in concealer, so I always avoid concealing. So if I have to suggest one concealer brush, it will be PAC 219 concealer brush. Go it, you'll love it. You will for sure love this, okay? And now we're gonna talk about blush, which is my favorite part. I love applying blush. So yeah, and blush is my favorite part of my makeup, okay? So brush should be nice whenever I'm applying my blush. For the blush, I use only this brush. प्लीज़ इसको इग्नोर करना. एक्चुअली मैंने जब अपना मेकअप ब्रश साफ कर ली थी तो मैंने गर्म पानी में डाल दिया था, ड्यू टू विच इसका कलर ऐसा हो गया. सो प्लीज़ इग्नोर दैट. सो दिस इज अगेन okay, so this blush brush is from this PAC facial makeup brush kit, and I have been using it since the day I have purchased it. I have been loving it since the day I have purchased it. Love this one. I'm not gonna switch to any makeup brushes anytime soon, so I just love my brush. Like, look shape, like this is so nice and you know, round, and so good for your blush application. Is that too much of blush? Who cares? Okay, I'm just going to show you all a real-time application with this. Like, look at it, how nicely and seamlessly your blush will blend into your skin. Like, look at it. Look at it, you guys. Like, this is so nice and absolute favorite blush brush. Iske alawa, I just use my finger. Okay, so that's that for the blush brush. And now we're gonna talk about powder brushes, and I have 3 options. First of all, if I would talk about this facial kit, तो मतलब out of like one I have shown you the foundation brush, एक concealer brush आता है और एक blush brush आता है, and out of which we have these 2 brushes. So basically for the powder brush they have given us this. Very honest, I'm not that good fan of this brush. Actually, I got a set of brushes from this brand called Mio, MEOW, Mio Cosmetic, I guess. So they have sent it very cute brush set to me. I was in my college, तभी मैंने इस brush का review भी करा था, like पूरे set का. I didn't like any of their brushes except this, because this is really nice brush and I use it as a powder brush. Like, there is nothing written on it, so I just consider it as a powder brush, and since then I am using this as a powder brush. And if you have seen my video, you must have seen कि मैं इसी से powder apply करती हूँ. But sometime I also use this what is this called, pizza puff, जो अभी lately बहुत ही trend में आया था. Also a very nice tool to apply your powder. Very great for setting your concealer with the powder. Like, बहुत ही अच्छे से आपके skin पे apply होता है powder. So I just love these 2. Like I said, recently I have bought this Mars का brush. So basically it is a 4-in-1 makeup brush. So you got a foundation brush, a powder brush, and 2 eyeshadow brushes. Like, wait, I'll show you all. So we also get like 2 eyeshadow brushes. So that's why I was telling to you all to invest in this brush rather than this, because it again comes in a 4-in-1 makeup brush and it costs you only 500 rupees. So like, you are getting 4 brush in just 500, which is a very great deal. So for the powder, I basically use these 3 tools. I'm using this as a powder to set my concealer, or mostly on the days when I just apply sunscreen, blush and all, तब भी I just set my face with the powder, because you know, sunscreen के कारण आपकी skin थोड़ी सी oily, greasy हो जाती है. So I always like to mattify my skin with the powder. So yeah, just going to take the powder in it. I'm gonna just set it all. Can you see? Like, I'm just baking it out. Right, I'm going to use this brush. Like, see. Okay, so the only thing that is left is a highlighter brush. To be very honest, I am not a big fan of highlighters, so I don't use any highlighter on my face. But again, face kit के साथ ये highlighter brush आया था, तो मैं बस इसी को use करती हूँ. जब मुझे लगता है कि I should apply a highlighter. I also have this brush as well. This we call a fan brush. This is also very good for applying highlighter. And if you are looking for a highlighter brush, I will suggest you all to go for like more like this type of brush, like a fan brush, or you can also go for something which is more like, you know, this shape, so that your highlighter just apply like evenly. Because मुझे वो भी नहीं पसंद है बस हाइलाइटर को यहाँ पे लगाना नहीं, लाइक आप अच्छे से अच्छा खासा एरिया कवर करो फॉर योर हाइलाइटर. सो आई विल सजेस्ट लाइक गो फॉर एनी ऑफ दीज टू टाइप ऑफ ब्रशेस इफ यू आर looking for a good highlighter brush. I will link all the brushes link down in the description, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, that's it, and let me finish my whole makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done with my makeup. If I have to sum this video up, if you are someone who have a budget, then I would highly suggest you all to go for PAC makeup brushes, that PAC facial makeup brush kit. I highly suggest you all to go for this because it's totally worth it. And if you are a beginner और थोड़ा budget आपका कम है, तो I'll suggest you all to go for this makeup brush. This is from Mars Cosmetic 4-in-1 makeup brush. You're gonna get a powder brush. You're gonna get a foundation brush, a powder brush, and 2 eyeshadow blush. And for the blush and concealer, I'll suggest you all to go for this PAC blush brush and the concealer brush. This is PAC 219, and PAC के blush brush का link आपको मैं description में दे दूंगी. So yeah, that's it from my side. I hope you all guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video was informative for you. And I hope you all like this video. If you really did, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay happy, and stay positive. And yeah, please leave in the comment कि आप next video कौन सा देखना चाहोगे. Please, please, please. And yeah, bye. I love you all. Bye bye.